Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video. Want to clear your Facebook history and keep your account private? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to delete your history in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening the Facebook app. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Next, scroll down to the section called your activity, then click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores all of your activity, including searches, watch history, and location history. Inside Activity Log, tap Logged Actions and Other Activity. Next, what you're gonna do is inside the activity log, tap Logged Action and Other Activity, then select Search History. Then if you want to delete something individually, tap the three dots next to it and choose to delete. If you want to remove everything at once, tap Clear Searches at the top. And then what you're gonna do is from the same menu you can also find videos you watch or location history. Just tap into each option and clear the data the same way. This helps free up space and protect your privacy. For even stronger privacy, you can go back to settings, scroll to off Facebook activity, then select clear history. This removes data Facebook collects from the apps and website you visit outside of Facebook. And that's it, your Facebook history is cleared and now your account is more private. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like in this video and subscribe, and do not forget to comment down for more tech fixes like this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys